Hi everyone, this is Khandakar from CyExt. Today I'm going to show you how to disconnect your broadband connection without unplugging your cable. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more videos. So let's start. You will see taskbar right here, net connection icon. Now it is showing it is connected to the internet. Now we have to right click on the mouse and open network and internet setting. Then you can see here change adapter option, view network adapters and change connection settings. Then click here. Then you will see a Eternal Network Realtek PCLE ZBE family controller. Select it, right click and disable. That's done. Now we can see here cross mark, that means no internet connection are available right now. So this is very simple tutorial, and if you again want to reconnect your internet connection, just again right click here and enable it. Enable. Just waiting some time. Now we can see net connection is reconnected. Thank you so much. It is very simple tutorial. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, and put your comment below. We will try to answer your question if you face any problem. Thank you. See you another video.